Home theater projectors have evolved from niche behind-the-carpet displays to mainstream living room powerhouses. Today's models blend native 1080p or 4K decoding, smart TV platforms, advanced color processing, brightness levels suitable for ambient light, and flexible connectivity for a wide range of media sources. For buyers, list number 1. Haprun Native 1080p Bluetooth Projector. The Haprun H1 is a native 1080p 1920 by 1080 portable projector designed for versatility in indoor and outdoor settings. Its core strengths are a compact form factor, Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless audio, built-in hi-fi speakers, and broad device compatibility via HDMI, USB, and AV inputs. With a tested price of $76.49, it represents the budget option in this roundup and prioritizes accessibility and convenience over high-end brightness or processing power. Performance-wise, the H1 delivers solid 1080p images with a claimed 47 to 200-inch screen size range, which is typical for portable units. The 5.1 Bluetooth link for external speakers or headphones is a meaningful enhancement for personal or shared spaces, though the built-in 5.1 speakers are modest in scale. Setup flexibility is good, but note that certain iOS-Android mirroring workflows require adapters or alternative methods, HDMI adapters or Chromecast, and there's no native app ecosystem. Reliance on external streaming sticks remains. For occasional movie nights, gaming on a small screen, or bedroom use, it provides dependable performance at an appealing price.
List number 2. Official licensed Google TV Smart Projector. The HAPPRUN 4K UHD projector expands capabilities with built-in Google TV, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Dolby-enabled audio. Despite a label of 4K support, it's specified as 1920 by 1080 display resolution with 4K support, which is common in this segment where the content is upscaled. Priced at $263.99, it targets users who want a turnkey smart experience without external streaming devices and value the Google ecosystem for apps, voice search, and streaming fidelity. Performance-wise, the device promises brighter output and richer sound via a 5W speaker with Dolby effects, and Google TV integration simplifies app access, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, etc. The on-paper brightness, ANSI 400, helps in moderately lit rooms, but as with many compact UST-type devices, ambient light control remains critical for optimal contrast. The Google Voice Assistant and wide compatibility with USB and HDMI inputs make it a strong candidate for those who want an all-in-one solution with minimal extra hardware.
List number 3. 4K projector with Netflix. The Kogata GC357 positions itself as a feature-rich smart projector with Netflix and Dolby DTS audio, autofocus, 6D keystone, and Wi-Fi 6. It markets 4K decoding capabilities on a native 1080p panel with a claimed 1200 ANSI lumen brightness. Priced at $74.99, it offers a compelling mix of automated image alignment and a broad app ecosystem that includes streaming services beyond standard Google Android TV options. Performance-wise, you get autofocus and 6D keystone for fast, precise alignment, plus HDR10+ level color handling and a German-engineered lens set. The device's streaming capabilities are strong thanks to Netflix and pre-installed apps, combined with a robust MTK 9660 platform and 2 + 8 GB RAM-ROM. This translates to relatively smooth navigation and reasonable app availability for a mid-priced unit, making it suitable for outdoor movie nights or compact home theaters where ease of setup matters.
List number 4. 1500 ANSI Google TV/voice control. P-Trim's K12 is a Google TV-enabled smart projector at $245.99, boasting 1500 ANSI lumens, autofocus, auto keystone, and a 50 to 100% zoom range. It emphasizes an all-in-one streaming experience with 4K support labeling, native 1080p, and strong Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. The inclusion of HDMI ARC, USB, and a well-documented software upgrade path indicates a longevity-focused product with a premium feel for its class. Performance-wise, the higher brightness helps preserve image clarity in modest ambient light. Autofocus and keystone correction simplify setup, while the Google TV interface and wide app compatibility provide immediate access to streaming services without extra devices. The device also emphasizes flexible mounting, ceiling, table, or tripod, and robust after-sales support with multi-year warranties. The user experience benefits from Google TV's remote and voice control, but, as with many projectors, brightness and color accuracy will vary based on screen size and distance, especially outdoors.
Lists number 5. Official Google TV Smart Projector 4K supported with Wi-Fi. The Wimius G1 is a larger, feature-packed Google TV projector priced at $242.98. It includes Dolby Audio with 20-watt speakers, HDR-like capabilities, HDR10+, autofocus, auto-obstacle avoidance, and Wi-Fi 6. The Google TV built-in experience aims to rival set-top streaming boxes, with an emphasis on ease of use, voice search, and a broad ecosystem of apps plus Google Photos casting. Performance-wise, G1 is designed for living room practicality and outdoor use, offering higher peak brightness for its class and a robust remote-enabled control surface. The 1080p native panel with 4K support provides detailed images, while the integrated Google ecosystem reduces the need for external devices. The key trade-offs typically involve color accuracy and black level when used in bright environments, but the 20-watt speakers and HDMI ARC support offer compelling all-in-one AV performance for casual and family viewing.